Hello, my name is Sunny and I will tell you about our research. And the research title is Analysis of Computational Thinking Instrument Using RAS Measurement Model. Now we start from the computational thinking. Computational thinking in many experts refers to a set of skills that show a series of cognitive processes to be able to solve a complex problem. And the several assessment in computational thinking, there are portfolios, test, survey, and interview. Mostly in portfolio, test, survey, and the last in interview. And why we use instrument analysis using RAS? The advantages of using RAS is number one, RAS analysis can identify the error responses and predictable missing data scores, and the ability does not only depend on the number of correct answer, and RAS analysis also can identify the cases. The method we use is firstly, we develop the computational thinking instrument. We develop this indicator and the aspect of city from the Gian et al. And we measure 5 computational thinking aspects, which are decomposition, abstraction, algorithmic thinking, generalization, and evaluation. And in the term of making the instrument, the type of the instrument is about test and multiple choice test with the multiple choice reasoning. We make the test with 3 issues or 3 problems. The problem in the text 1 is pan and cooking steak. The text 2 is liquid cooling system for VC, and third, making heat transfer simulation. And there are several indicators to measure the 5 aspect computational thinking, and we made the number of questions is 13 questions. Okay, then the sample, this instrument is tried out to 63 high school students in West Java who have learned about heat and transfer in physics subject. And the distribution of sample based on region, mostly in Bandung, student in Bandung, and secondly in Subang, 43%, and 13% from Cikarang. And the student composed of 39 girls or female and 24 male age 16 until 18 years old. And the procedure for analyzing data, we use the mini-step version 5, and we analyze the reliability and validity of the instrument. And here's some indicators and interpretation of the reliability of the instrument using RAS analysis. We use the Cronbach alpha, item and person reliability, and also item and person separation. All of this is the fit indicators and the interpretation here. And we analyze the validity of the instrument using the unidimensionality. We use the value of raw variance explained by measure and also unexplained variance in the first contrast. This raw variance explained by measure. If we have a value bigger than 20%, the interpretation is acceptable, and so that beside we determine the value of raw variance, or in unidimensionality, we use also the outfit mean square value, outfit Z standard value, and point measure correlation to know how the item is fit or not. If the item is fit 2 of 3 this statistic, then the instrument is valid. Okay, here result and discussion. The reliability of the instrument that we have Cronbach alpha 0.77 and item reliability is 0.72 and percent reliability is 0.73 and item separation is 1.61 and percent separation is 1.66. The Cronbach alpha, we can get a good really good category in reliability, and the item and percent reliability is sufficient because the result value is 0.72 and 0.73, and the high and the more high separation is more good the instrument. We get the more than one that good enough for the instrument. And if we can calculate the separation, we have 3 levels for the item categories. There are easy, medium, and difficult, and also the person ability to low, medium, and high ability student. And the validity of the instrument, we use the raw variance explained by measure. We got the observed is 29.7%, and an explained variance in first contrast is 12.4%. It means that the raw variance explained by measure is acceptable. The instrument is acceptable because the measure is above than 20%, and the unexplained variance in the first, second, until fifth contrast is below 15%, so that the validity of the instrument is valid. Here the measure outfit mean square and ZSTD, and also PT measure core value. We know that the outfit MSK has a fit index 0.5 to 1.5. We can see all of the item is has a value in the range of this. So this instrument is good enough for the measure of computational thinking. And the outfit ZSTD in item number 12 is below than 2.4, minus 2.0, so that the characteristic of the item in number 12 is too predictable. In this value, measure core, we also have the indicator that the value must be 0.4 until 0.85, but the question number 2 and 5 is less than 2.4. If the overall the question is a fit because we have 2 out 3 that MNSKI, ZSTD, and PT measure core fit to this range. Yeah, we can have the level of difficulties of the item. We can compare the measure with standard deviation here, and the easy item is less than mean minus 2.25, and the medium is between minus 0.25 until positive 0.25, and difficult, we can see the more than plus 0.25. We can see that the value of the question number 6, 2.32, that is above than 0.25. So the difficult question is number 8, and also number 2, because the score is 0.45. Or the conclusion is the computational thinking instrument has a good and sufficient at item and person reliability. This indicates the instrument has a good reliability to measure high school student computational thinking on heat transfer topic. Meanwhile, the item and person separation is 1.61 and 1.66 that we got indicate that the item can be distinguished into 3 levels of difficult: easy, medium, and difficult. And the student can be categorized into 3 levels: low, medium, and high ability. In terms of validity of the instrument, we have the value of rho explained by measure at 29.7%, which means that the instrument is acceptable. The value of the unexplained variant in first until fifth contrast also below 15%, and the eigenvalue also below 3.0, which means that the instrument is valid. Thank you.